But if I'm going to give a detention, number one, there's rules around detention. If I give the detention, I'm the one who's going to be with the kid during the detention. An office level detention that's being monitored by a duty teacher is not going to do a whole lot of good. Again, you're just doing time. And during that detention, I don't allow schoolwork to be done. I don't allow stuff you didn't do in class to be completed. During that detention, we are dealing with your behavior. And we're going to figure out some strategies to help make the situation better. The work, that ship already sailed. You already got the grade or you got the problem on the work. We got to get in detention to figure out how I can get one-on-one and help you out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.